Hi, my name is Tenzin Carvalho and I'm a freshman at Western Center Academy in Hemet, California. My project is a second-year project, Renew, Reuse, Recharge, revitalizing the electrostatics charges in N95 respirators and a low-cost polypropylene filter for PPE. The shortages of PPE, especially N95s, has resulted in the reuse of many N95 respirators. Various sterilization techniques can degrade the electrostatic properties that make these N95s so effective at blocking 95% of particles greater than 0.2 microns. N95s are made of electrostatically charged spun polypropylene fibers that filter using van der Waals forces or attractive forces to capture microorganisms and viruses. Last year, I successfully recharged N95 masks using a commercial Van de Graaff generator after multiple disinfections, finding out that dry heat would be the best and most effective disinfection technique as it led to the least amount of mechanical and electrostatic degradation. The purpose of this year's experiment is to find the optimal charge time so that the disinfected N95s would retain its charge for at least 24 hours later. It would just be horrible to charge your N95s and just for it to lose its electrostatic charge just a few hours later. I found out that charging the N95s for at least 10 minutes on a commercial Van de Graaff generator at 100,000 kilovolts allowed the disinfected N95s to hold its charge for at least 24 hours. I made a prototype desktop Van de Graaff generator that charges the mask at just 40,000 kilovolts through a plug, and it also worked at recharging the mask, but it took 15 minutes since it had a lower voltage. Based on my results, we can charge the disinfective N95s to their original new charge and hold it for at least 24 hours after when charged for 10 whole minutes. Future research would see whether the 10 minutes would be adequate for our N95s to hold our electrostatic charge of our disinfective N95 masks 48 hours later, 5 days, and maybe even a week, and whether other factors like storage humidity would affect the electrostatic properties. It's a solution to a problem for places that have shortages in PPE and to effectively reuse and recharge these N95s safely.